How to fix Vodafone SIM not showing network problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Vodafone SIM not showing network problem. So guys, there are 5 steps to solve the problem for Vodafone SIM not showing network. So I will show you the solution step by steps, and guys, keep in mind that the 5th solution will be the beneficial solution for you, so please watch till the end. So now let's start. Let's go to the settings, and then guys, you can see here aeroplane mode. Just enable the aeroplane mode, and then you have to restart your phone and reopen your device. The problem will be solved. And guys, the second step is, you can see here dual SIM and cellular network. Click on dual SIM and cellular network, and then you have to select the SIM here. You have to select the SIM, and then you have to disable this. Now it will be disable, and then again you have to enable this. Wait for a second. Now guys, you have to click on carrier. You can see here in the last option, you can see here carrier. Click on carrier, and then wait for a while. It will search automatically. It is in a process. Now it will search your network, and then you have to select your network. They will show you the option. You have to select the network, and then your problem will be solved. Now guys, go back, and then the third step is, you have to go to your additional setting. You can see here additional settings. Click on additional settings, and then you have to go to backup and reset. You can see here on the last option, click here, and then now you have to click on reset to factory settings. Click on reset to factory settings, and guys, keep in mind that you have to click on only reset settings, system only, not the phone data reset. So just click on the first option. You can see here reset system settings only. Click here, and then you can put your password and reset it. Your problem will be solved. Now the fourth step is, you have to go to your settings, and then you can see here software updates. Click on software updates and see whether there is anything available for the update. You have to update it, restart your device, and reopen your phone. The problem will be solved. And the fifth step is, guys, you have to call to your customer care with a different phone number, and then you have to consult with them. This is for sure the problem will be solved, because sometimes your SIM gets stuck with some network problem. So guys, these were the 5 steps to solve your problem for Vodafone SIM not showing network problem. Thanks for